'Cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. And I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day.
Si Christopher, hanggang dito yung tawa niya, oy. Ngiti niya nandito sa tenga, oy. Okay, kinikilig naman ako sa inyo. Miss Angelica, may tanong po kayo?
Ano ba? Nakakakilig naman yun. Ano to mga bagets na to? Ewan ko, ayoko na, nakakainggit. Okay, ito yung follow-up question ko dun sa papi-papihan love nila. Okay. Ano naman masasabi mo, Janet, na ikaw ang crush niya, pero yung nakalagay daw sa wallet niya, picture ni Christine.
Ay! Ano? Bata ka pa, ha? Ganyan ka na, ha? Nako, may potential ito.
Potential chick boy.
Okay, ano masasabi mo doon, Janet?
It's okay for me po kasi Christopher and I were just friends lang naman po eh. And isa pa po, I rather focus to my studies and my family and especially this contest.
Okay!
Teka, Sarah. Sarah, may question lang ako kay Christopher.
Oh, okay.
Bakit may picture ni Christine sa wallet mo?
Wala lang po.
Ay,
Wala lang. Wala lang daw yun. Sige na nga, hindi na nga ka magiging chismos.
hayaan na lang